That thing is nice.
So today is the day. We are finally getting our dyno in.
You got the old trusted manual? Oh dang son, how many pages is that?
We got some wheels!
I mean, pretty good. The lips look really good.
Move out the way, CJ. Daggone it. I don't want to see your butt.
My sexy booty.
Sexy booty.
They could probably use a polish on the lips, but
Yeah, they're not perfect, but
Yeah.
dang if they're not hot.
the lips look good.
These things are awesome! Look at these things.
Boom. And just like that, we have all the fire out of the boxes.
Closer to the internet, it downloads faster.
Thanks, CJ.
This may be one of the most special boxes.
Today on Mail Time.
Holy smokes. Upside down. You should have seen the FedEx guy. He was struggling, boy.
That's why I flipped the box over, because I was like, I'm not going to try to slide this thing out on camera. Important safeguards. Okay, that's nice. Struggle.
Thinking they're tight, ain't it?
Maybe I need to do this like a refrigerator. You know what I'm saying? Like cut the bottom of the box off.
Is that what you do? Oh, yeah. Oh. They must have like a compactor to squish it together.
They
I'm
have
assuming.
to.
That's pretty sweet.
So spinny.
That thing is nice. Oh.
You're getting a pretty turbo, Xavier. I like it.
Oh, that's Xavier's?
Yep.
Shoot. Awesome. What the heck?
Freaking Donnie. It's never a dull day when Donnie's here.
I know, right?
So today is the day. We are finally getting our dyno in. Right now we are unloading some of the stuff out of the truck so we can get the pieces out. And then we gotta start putting this thing in. We're supervising.
Yeah.
Supervising.
Yeah, I'm good. Make a nice clean cut.
Josh,
Yeah.
you excited
I
about
told you I
this
could drive
dyno?
anything, Donnie.
Huh?
I told you I could drive anything.
Well, duh. I mean, it's not that hard.
I know it.
Earlier he hit that hole right there and it was almost pretty bad. Oh. Dyno Research Incorporated.
Yeah. We're gonna start pulling these things apart.
Starting with the big boy. Get in there. This might have to be the most ultimate unboxing ever at Driver Motorsports.
That's the blower belt.
Oh,
Well, they said to put an 8 rib on there, so I went serious on that. Got me an 8 rib.
good God almighty. It's
How many
crazy.
tires had to die for that thing?
So we could just unload this.
Yeah. It's all probably bolted down. Hardware. I don't know what this super thing is. Is that a control panel? Something.
Plenty of nice wood we
Look
can
at the
use.
tensioner though.
I know, I'm glad they gave us all this shelving material.
What's next?
What we got? I got the front off this one.
We're running out of surprises.
So I think we can just
Cool.
fork truck that off of there.
It's a
This
plug
is
and play.
This
What
is
is
an
a
eddy brake current eddy current brake. What is it?
She's a plug and play.
What does it do? What does this do,
This
Josh?
basically slows down the rollers.
Ah.
It applies the brakes.
Oh, okay.
So there's a huge magnet.
So that's why it's called a retarder, because it stops.
It's basically it's going to be like you're going up a hill,
Yeah.
you know, and
You can load it up basically with the load center. You'll see it when we're running it, but you can go up and down in pressure.
Oh.
Basically, it applies pressure, so when you're riding down the road, there's automatically that pressure that you're putting against the tires.
Oh.
So that kind of simulates that and
Gotcha.
slows it down.
That's pretty
when
cool.
You're done with the dyno run.
Huh. Interesting. You got the old trusted manual? Oh, dang, son. How many pages is that?
A lot.
188.
A lot.
Yeah, so it's 95 sheets of paper.
Holy crap.
We need a 3-hole punch.
How many pieces of
For
We need
sure.
something.
What happened there?
Oh, looks like someone came through with a fork.
That's a good thing nothing was high that high.
They were like, "Fork you, man."
Need something lifted?
Pinch my ass in here.
That would not feel good. Oh. Oh man, hurry up. Felt the raindrop. Yeah, it's starting to rain now, so we're just trying to hurry up and get this inside in the building at least. Then we'll worry about the rest later. Whew. But we're just about done. Or they are at least. I was inside. But they did the thing. I'm doing a little bit of filming too as well with the cinematic camera, so I'm hoping to maybe release a cinematic episode. I'm not sure. Stay tuned for that. So we ran into a little bit of an issue. Oh god. Thanks, son.
Sawdust.
Damn.
You already got it, Mark?
No.
Yep. Send it.
Let's just get it close here and let's see what's
Watch,
up.
it's gonna swing that way. I'm watching. Just be careful. I'll try to do it slow.
Damn. Fork truck's starting to look bow-legged.
Got it. All right.
Alright, hold.
Main unit control box, I think, right here. Mail time. That's exactly what this one looks like.
You know what this is for?
Your little switch that you always hold.
No,
No.
wrong. This is to move it back and forth.
Oh, that's cool. So when they first come in, you got to ask the guy, "How long are you?"
Yeah.
How long are you, sir?
How long are you?
All right. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I had to pry something get it up on and I just set it down. And it's stuck at a...
That's a freaking sword. Holy sh!
People say I'm compensating for something, but I don't really get it.
That's a massive pry bar right there.
Got half an inch to go. Keep going.
Oh my gosh.
I think the concrete. Yeah.
No.
Damn it, CJ. Quit being so weak. Shit.
Workman's comp, man. I blew my back out.
All right, guys, we're at a standstill right now. We're gonna come back tomorrow and finish up the install. Hopefully, do you think we'll be able to finish this tomorrow? Get everything squared away?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
All right, cool. That's a yes. It's gonna be installed. But anyway, we're gonna just continue off the episode tomorrow. A lot done today, a lot of unboxing, a lot of other good stuff. So
It's a lot of work.
it is a lot of work, and I don't think they understand how heavy this stuff actually really is. Just to move this, just millimeters is like tough. So anyway, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time in the next episode. Peace.